Hello fellow chartisters, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and today we had a hell of a bullish day. Today. I was 2 for 2 in my price targets today. On my Discord, price target was 474. And if we break that, we could go test 477. And looking at the SPY today, it closed just a little bit above 477. Now today we were in breakout mode. If you see this light blue support line right here, well, it's support line now, but it was serving as a resistance from the high of November to the high of December, and we had a breakout. Okay, so that's gonna be a critical support for us to hold so that this doesn't end up being a false breakout. Okay, so it's, as you can see, we have many green days. All right, when is the SPY gonna cool off? I'm using the RSI 5. We aren't technically in bullish overbought territory. Okay, now if we look at the moving average, it's pretty far above from the moving average, even the 5-day moving average. So this was a strong move to the upside. Bulls are in control. All right, now I also mentioned in my last video that based on seasonality, this is a very bullish time of the year. Towards the end of the year, we can get an end of the year rally, possibly around January 2nd or after, a little after, first week of January or something. That's when the market starts to turn bearish. But until then, it's going to be very bullish. And as you can see, with all these green candles, especially today, look at that big body. That's a big body. You know, it's coming true. Okay, so our support level. So my price targets today that I wrote on Discord was 474 and 477. That means when a resistance level gets taken out, it becomes a new support. So I like to see the 474 level hold, and then critical support with the breakout level is, I'm gonna give it a zone. Okay, it's this zone from 470.7. all right, that's this yellow line right here. Had a lot of touches there, had a hard time breaking it, but it broke it today. Okay, all the way down to 471.5. all right, that's around here. Okay, that is a very critical level to hold. Okay, guys, remember what I said. Support's now 474, and then down to 470.7 to the 471.5 zone. Those are our support levels that we need to hold. As long as they hold, 480 is the next price target. All right, of course, with 478.5 en route, it's around there. But then I think it ultimately will go up higher and test this resistant line right here. All right, it may not get up there right away. I'll be surprised if it doesn't get there by tomorrow, but it may consolidate a little bit. As long as our levels hold, we can see more upside. All right, taking a look at the VIX. VIX is looking very bearish. All right, it got even lower than the previous candle. You see that big body is getting crushed to the downside. All right, our next big support level for the VIX is at 14.9. So we'll see if the VIX will head down lower, and as long as it's bearish, the SPY will stay bullish. Okay, now keep in mind, I will be more bearish if the critical support level is lost. All right, at 470.7, if it gets below that, I think it's gonna turn to bearish. We're gonna see a lot more downside. All right, that's the time where I like to go short the market. Whether either is that a resistant level, or it gets to it takes out a critical support level and treat that critical support level as a resistant. That's when I like to short the market. All right, moving on to triple Q. Triple Q also had a breakout the last trading day on the 23rd. You see this light blue trending line right there. It broke out right there. Today we see strong follow through, and it broke out from this critical resistance level right here. You see from the orange line. All right, so 401, that's where the orange line is. 401 is a must hold level. If it drops below 401, obviously that's a false breakout. We can see more downside. Okay, but so 401 is a must hold level. Keep your eyes on that. As long as it hold, we got a lot more room to the upside. Not much resistance. Okay, we got resistance all the way up here at 419 to 420. Not much resistance. So we'll see what happens and how the rest of the week goes. All right, QQQ is also in the overbought situation. Doesn't mean it'll drop, but it's possible a cool off or a cool down or some basing can occur. Okay, doesn't mean it has to. I'm just saying it can. But as of right now, it's pretty bullish. Breakout mode still. Breakout after breakout. All right, so watch that 401 level. Below that, we can see more downside. Next support is all the way down here. It's pretty low. Well, I say the moving average will go up a little bit. So 393 to 394. Below that, that's around 390. Okay, it's a big move to the downside, but we'll see. Checking out the Dow Jones, another breakout. You see from this blue line, had a breakout. All right, breakouts across the board. So obviously, same thing rule apply for the Dow Jones. It's at 362.9 right now. That's where it closed. So 361.9 was the breakout level. That's a must hold. Below that, we have support at 359. But remember, if we break this blue support level, it goes down. That's a false breakdown. Breakout. False breakouts are pretty bearish. Okay, I talk a lot about recaptures. So if this is a breakout and it falls back below, then that level got recaptured, but instead it's to the downside. All right, a recapture after a false breakout is bearish. All right, so we gotta watch out for that. IWM had a breakout. All right, I think breakout is the theme today. I had a breakout, strong follow through. It dipped early in the morning, and look where it bounced off, perfectly off of that support level. So that's what a good breakout look like, guys. A breakout, then a retest of the breakout level, strong reaction there, which this got, and now it has 225 as my price target. Okay, I'm about $1 off. Above 225, we'll put 227 in play. That's the 50-day moving average. And then this green resistant line right here at 232. All right, that's from this right here. It's been served as a resistance since March. All right, bunch of touches there, broke out, failed the retest. It looks like it's on its way back up to test it again. All right, so as long as 220.5 holds, that's gonna be this breakout. That's where the breakout level is. Excuse me. All right, as long as it holds, we got those upside target 225, 227, then 232. All right. If it falls back below 220.4.5, obviously that's a false breakout. That'll be bearish. Okay? And moving on to, last but not least, Ethereum. Ethereum is getting to a very tight place. It's trading within the green channel. We're getting a lot of bounces off of it. It broke out from this baby blue triangle right here. But look like it's basing. Look like it's flagging, getting to a tight triangle. So we want to see a break above 4120, 4,120. That'd be very bullish and go up higher. Possibly up to the 50-day moving average, 42, 45. That'll be the next price target. And above that, we'll put 4,500. That's the previous high. And then a test of this blue resistant line right here. That's all the way up to 4,700. Okay? Those are the price targets for the bullish scenario. But if it drops below 4,043, that's a drop below this green support line. And that'll be a loss of critical support. And it could drop down lower to the next critical support all the way down to 38, 39 right here. All right? Keep it. If it does happen, just keep an eye for the false breakdown and get a recapture. All right, but that's the levels we want to see, either a breakout above or a break below. Let us know what you want to do, Ethereum. All right, definitely if it breaks out, I would buy that. All right, so that's what I have for today. I hope you guys had a great trading day. I still have that $1 deal. Check out the link below for my Discord, and I'll see you all soon.